You've applied to dozens and even hundreds of job openings, but never received any callbacks. And you're wondering how to break through the initial screening and land an interview. Here's the good news: you're watching the right video. My name is Ned. I'm the founder and CEO of 365financialanalyst.com, and I'll be happy to share my advice on crafting the perfect financial analyst resume. I started my career as a financial analyst in firms like PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, and Coca-Cola, and I certainly appreciate the importance of getting your resume right. Think of it this way: recruiters review hundreds of resumes every day. Initial screenings are not about finding the perfect candidate. Instead, they aim to quickly eliminate unsuitable applicants. Your resume must stand out immediately and demonstrate that you're a strong fit for the role. But even more importantly, it must protect you from the most common reasons a candidate is neglected. Okay, perfect. But how do you do that? It starts with understanding what recruiters and hiring managers are looking for. First, they want to see solid formatting, demonstrating your ability to deliver professional work. That's not too difficult to do, even if you don't have much experience. Use an acceptable template in the industry and ensure it still looks good after filling it in. A plain or weird-looking resume won't capture much attention, and sounding unprofessional ensures a recruiter dismisses it in less than 5 seconds. Another essential piece of advice is to proofread your resume carefully. A single typo or mistake is enough to ruin an otherwise engaging CV. Many people rush to send their resumes to hundreds of companies without spending an hour spell-checking them properly. Previously, I'd suggest sending your resume to a friend or relative for their review. Today, you can upload it to an AI tool like ChatGPT and get actionable and much-needed feedback on grammar and clarity. These essentials will prevent initial disqualification, but excelling further is necessary to secure an interview. Sending the same generic resume to every company is not a good idea. Your resume should be tailored to the position you're applying for, which will help you attract attention more easily. A key piece of advice I can offer is to thoroughly read the job description for each position you apply for. You can create a list of keywords that describe the perfect candidate. Adapt your resume accordingly. You should customize your resume for each company that you're applying to. Don't be shy about listing your technical skills as a financial analyst. Describe what you know how to do and include it in your resume description. Instead of mentioning Excel proficiency, you can provide specific examples of how you've used Excel in a professional context. For instance, emphasize that you've built complex financial models, performed data cleansing and manipulation, or automated reporting processes using advanced Excel functions such as pivot tables, VLOOKUP, index match, and macros. By showcasing real, tangible applications, you'll give recruiters and hiring managers a clearer understanding of your expertise and how you can add value to the role. The same is valid for your work with enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, and every technical detail that can help you do well on the job from day one. A step further in this direction would be to create your own portfolio link. You can gather several Excel reports and PowerPoint presentations and host them online on platforms like Dropbox or Google Drive. Including a link to this portfolio on your resume or LinkedIn profile offers hiring managers a first-hand look at your practical skills. Claiming to create dynamic dashboards and engaging financial presentations is one thing, demonstrating them is far more impactful. This showcases initiative, creativity, and transparency, helping you stand out in a competitive job market. And lastly, let's talk about your tone and resume language. Avoid generic phrases like, "I am a results-oriented professional with a proven track record of success." Everyone does this, and it sounds cliché. Be mindful of vague statements that might apply to 1,000 other roles but don't reflect your unique skills or experiences. And steer clear of flashy, over-the-top adjectives like exceptional visionary, unparalleled financial strategist, or deal-making prodigy. So what should you do instead? Write authentically and share genuine stories. Highlight your skills through specific examples rather than broad claims. Show initiative by researching the company's portfolio, learning about them, and mentioning particular projects. Some candidates even reach out to a recruiter's network for recommendations or prepare small assignments without being asked. This level of proactive effort sets you apart and signals you're genuinely invested in the position. Okay, so this is my advice for those who wish to apply for a financial analyst role and craft the perfect resume for it. If you want to boost your financial analyst skills and learn everything that will make you an expert, please check out the offer in this video's description. This also grants you access to our team, who will gladly guide you through the job hunting process.